Curious to know how long it would take to double your money? Wondering how long it would take for your hard-earned money to drop to half of its value due to inflation? The answer is rule of
72,
78, 70,
69,
69.3.
Alright. All you guys are correct one way or the other. However, the most popular one is the rule of 72.
What is the rule of 72 anyway?
Well, let me explain. You can find out the number of years taken to double money using the compound growth formula if you use a scientific calculator or a spreadsheet program. You need those tools since these formulas involve exponentiation and logarithms. However, if you want to quickly do this math in your head, that's where the rule of 72 comes handy. Just do some simple everyday divisions and you can easily calculate them.
I'm curious now. What is that simple formula?
Okay, the formula is this. To get the number of years for doubling, you just divide 72 by the growth rate. And to get the growth rate, you just divide 72 by the number of years for doubling.
Wow, sounds like we made it look so simple. Can you please give a few examples?
Sure. Assume that you are able to grow your stock portfolio at 8% annually. To find out how long it would take for your portfolio to double in value, simply divide 72 by 8 and you get 9. It will take 9 years for your portfolio to double at that rate. Another example. Assume that the money in your retirement account doubles in 6 years. What would be the growth rate that made it happen? Simply divide 72 by 6 and you get 12. That means if you grow at 12%, your retirement fund would double in 6 years. By the way, rule of 72 can be used to calculate the loss of money as well. For example, let's assume that inflation burns your money at 4% every year. How long it would take for your money to become half of its current value? Just divide 72 by 4 and you get 18. In 18 years, your money value would be reduced to 50%. Scary, isn't it?
That's interesting. But where's the number 72 coming from?
Do you really want me to open a can of worms? Just kidding. But, believe me, the math to derive this is really ugly. But I have posted it here on the screen for the curious ones. Basically, it's coming from the annual compound growth formula that we talked about in a previous session when applied with natural logarithm and doing a bit of a rounding too. Please take a look if you are interested to dig deep into the derivation.
Okay, didn't we talk about 78, 70, 69, etc. in the beginning of this discussion? What about them?
Well, as I said, 72 is an approximation that works well for growth rates around 8%. 70 works best for the rates around 2%. For even lower annual rates or continuous compounding, 69 or 69.3 gives better approximation. But remember, this is for mental math, so don't complicate it too much. People simply love 72 because it's divisible by several whole numbers under 10, such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, and 9. For rates above 10%, the rounding error would be more pronounced, and in those cases, it is recommended to use the rule of 78 instead. Alright. That was a wonderful discussion indeed. Hope it gave some insights to our great YouTube audience too. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.
Please like, share, and subscribe if you found this channel useful.